Popular dancehall artist Dexter Dobbs has been arrested. COVID-19 locks down Easter weekend for Jamaica. COVID-19 cases spike to 65. And learn how you can make money online from home. Welcome back to the Sauna Room. Before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely turn on your post notification bell so you can get an update each time we upload. Now let's jump into the story. Popular dancehall artist Louis Grandison, popularly known as Dexter Dobbs, was taken into custody on Wednesday, April 8th in the afternoon. Head of the St. Andrew South Police Division, Senior Superintendent Wayne Cameron told the Observer Online that Grandison was picked up in the Seaview Gardens community about 3:30 p.m. Cameron said Grandison's arrest is in connection with an ongoing investigation into shootings and gang activities in southern St. Andrew area. The 14-second video was circulated on social media with Grandison being escorted in handcuffs by police officers. So guys, the COVID-19 coronavirus locks down Easter weekend in Jamaica. Now you know that we're under an ongoing curfew from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. daily. That has been extended until the 21st. However, for the Easter weekend, there are different measures in place. So from the 10th of April to the 13th, the curfew will now begin at 3 p.m. that's daytime to 7 a.m. in the morning. Now this will end on April 14th at 5 a.m. in the morning and will start 9 p.m. daily until April 21st. That's on Tuesday. Well, the last story that we're going to cover for today is how you can make money online from home. A lot of us, I know that we have been redundant from work, or we have been laid off, and you might be looking for an alternative on how you can make money online. You probably say to yourself that you don't have any skills, you don't know what to do, but guys, you have a laptop, you have Wi-Fi. I recommend that you check out Internet Income Jamaica. They are located in Kingston. They also have online courses that you can purchase for step-to-step how you can set up online and how you can start making money. They also have a customer service system. They are available on Instagram at Internet Income JA and also on Facebook. So this will have you create some form of leverage in your life right now to what's going on. I know that it can be of great benefit to you guys. So just Google Internet Income Jamaica and get into contact with them. Also, the persons that are outstanding to report to the Ministry of Health that came into the country, I think March 10 upwards, please remember that you need to report, and the line is 1881 love. You can contact them just so that they can follow the necessary procedures to make sure that you're in good health and protect the population at large. So the COVID-19 cases in Jamaica is now at 65. Now a St. Catherine female and a St. James female has tested positive. The St. Catherine female is 21 and she's under investigation, and the St. James woman is 50 years old with a travel history from New York. So guys, you know that the coronavirus is very serious and we should take it very seriously. So please remember to sanitize. The numbers are going up. I thought that we were out of the wins because we reported a day ago that we had no new cases, but last night we came up with 2 new cases. So please remember to sanitize, keep yourself safe. Please turn on your notification bell because this is a Sauna Room where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans.